What it do, YouTube? Back with another video. I'm actually installing the ethanol fuel sensor today. I'm actually pretty excited. I'm gonna go stage 1, E85. It should be fairly simple. I actually got IE's high pressure fuel pump because they stated that it's better than 034s, and even if it's only 1%, 1% is better than 0%, you know what I'm saying? So the pieces we're gonna use today are the Oetiker clamps, the Doberman end pieces, the heat gun. We also have the ethanol sensor with the Bluetooth receiver, the wiring, of course, and the clamps along with their main terminals. Definitely hope that you guys enjoy this video. But let's go ahead and take a look at it. Because I'm pretty sure fuel is gonna come out of there, and I don't want any problems. I'll try to pop this and hopefully not make a mess. Ooh, just a little bit of strength, and you too could look like me. Good child. You guys, once you get that off, what you guys are gonna have to do is, I went the 034 way and I bought the one elbow Dorman unit and then the one straight one. It's up to you guys. I'm gonna clip this one like that. Clip that together. Had to hear that clip. You're gonna end up having to cut this section out. The way 034 did it was, they did it like this. So let me show you guys that. Cut right here between the F and the E as much as possible. Do some more. Now, I'm just gonna cut right here. Okay, so now we're good to go. So that's over with. I'm gonna put this up here. We're gonna connect this now. Do not forget the Oetiker clamps. I think that's how you pronounce it. Oetiker? Oetiker? Oscar. Something like that. Oscar! So what we're gonna do is use these pliers again, tighten that back up. That's back where it's supposed to be. And next, we're gonna use the Oetiker clamp. I really don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but I'm really gonna keep calling it. We'll tighten those. So here's the first one. Whew. All right, we did the mechanical part. Now it's time for the electrical part. So you're gonna need these. They're pretty much all in one. I think there was another installation where it said you had to use multiple different tools. I don't think you do. That's where these wires come in. See, that's clamped. That works for me. This is why I say you guys don't need anything else but this. I believe you could cut this with this, so let's try it out now. Again, as you can see, you don't need it. So I'm thinking of just removing this white piece in general. I'll just leave that as is for right now. Turn all that to the side like that. I'm gonna cut this too. And this is where the fun happens. What you're gonna do is bend this. These are the M8 terminals that you're gonna use and clamp with. I went ahead and just made it short like this, so like don't let too much wire show. Just bend it like this. You'll be able to push it in because the wire is more stable. It won't bend and be flimsy. And then if you're using a vice grip instead of another crimper you have in the house, just go to the part between the blue and the yellow and crimp it like this and squeeze for all life so that doesn't come out again. It's pretty good. So don't worry about this this white tip and then this. I'm gonna get some of the tape, the heat shrink tape, so that that's not gonna be exposed, because I won't be using this at all. Voila. Now, I'm also gonna link the heat shrinking tape so you guys don't have to go through this process like I did. I didn't think I would need it, but I did forget that to fuel it. I had this piece and I didn't think it would become undone this easily. So it's gonna be pretty annoying to look at. So I'm just gonna minimize that, take that out of the equation entirely, and also do the same thing with this wire. So in the meantime, I'm gonna put this wire back in here like this. I don't know if you guys can see. Oh, that's not gonna work. So I'm just gonna cut that all the way down to the bottom. Boom, out of there. There you go. Then we'll just tape that one side so that'll be not exposed anyway. So here comes the last part. You're going to have to look at these two terminals over here. So that's the red one over here, and of course the black one, the negative. This is also the location where you jump your car and where you, flash your car for the first time, or anytime you have to flash it, and you might be taking a significant amount of battery. So make sure you don't ever go to the trunk. I don't know if anybody needs to know that. If you want to do it yourself really quick, just do it up here. I think it's a 14 millimeter. So unscrew that, of course, and connect the negative one. And then we'll do the same for the negative term. Oh, you know what? I'm just gonna use a wrench for this one because I don't feel like going back in the trunk. And you see how this is exposed. So what I'm gonna do is just cut this again. And bingo, that's out the way. Now, don't worry about this. I know this looks crazy, but for right now, I'm just going to leave that here. I'm gonna order the heat shrinking tape, so it'll be good to go. Let me get the correct socket. Tighten this one up. Don't tighten up too much, just hand tighten it like that so it doesn't move. Should be good to go. And then I think this is a 16 millimeter socket. No, you would need a 17 millimeter socket for the fat boy. And tighten this one as well. Just don't want it to move around here, so that should be pretty good. We're good to go. So let's check. Go to your fuel adapt, connect, look it for devices. Update form, the device out of date, so just update that. Firmware completed, connect. And it says our ethanol content is 0, but that's because we didn't start the car. So we're gonna start the car first and then see what happens. You're not like me and you don't leave this unscrewed. You wanna make sure you tighten that back up. So I'm gonna tighten it now and then I'm gonna start the car, okay? So guys, this is what it's reading on ethanol content. It's pretty consistent at E10, honestly. I've been looking at it this entire time. So everything seems to be good. I don't know what happens if I rev, but as you can see, it doesn't get past E10. Guys, man, that was a pretty simple install. Like I said, I left out the heat shrinking tape, but I only did that because I assumed, like I said, that I wouldn't need it. That wrap or like that wire that was covering all the wires, or the Velcro that was, I don't know what that is, what material that is, but it's pretty annoying. I hope you guys enjoyed that install. Like I said, I'm on 93, so that ethanol sensor rating was pretty nice to see that it's still calculating the little bit of that's already in there. I'm gonna be taking my car to New German Performance in Aberdeen, Maryland. It's gonna be a far drive. I don't know if I'll do a video on that either. After that, I'll be able to tune the car either this weekend or maybe next weekend, but hopefully the sooner the better. So then the sooner I get that done, the sooner I get some content out for you guys. So honestly, I really appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you guys can like, comment, subscribe, and share too, that really helps the page. Really helps me get some more content out for you guys. If you guys, if I know you guys are looking at it, that would definitely make some more. So the RS5 guys, I'm trying to keep up with the S5 guys in terms of content, but you know, it is what it is. Follow me on Instagram and also TikTok. I'll be having a lot more reels, a lot more other content coming for you guys as well. So appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.